anyhow, I think we'll continue our walk and see if we can't find some of those. Abraham Lincoln, as you heard, was a politician at heart, but he needed to support his family. And did this by practicing law. The scope of his practice was amazing. He recruited clients in small towns like Washington and also defended large companies like the Illinois Central Railroad, and even tried cases before the Illinois Supreme Court. Undoubtedly, the best-known case involving Washington citizens were the issues involving the destruction of Frederick and Sylvester Pearl Saloon and Store by as many as 50 men in Washington in 1854. This case is one that was chosen by the Abraham Lincoln Association to publish in 2008 in the 4-volume set, The Papers of Abraham Lincoln. Pearl Saloon stood just outside the city limits in the Washington suburb of Blackhawk that we mentioned earlier. That's just under the viaduct. If you go west of the square here, you go under the viaduct. Up on the hill would stand Frederick Pearl Saloon. Briefly, on March 23rd, 1854, David Kelso, a Washington man, bought some whiskey there. He rode his horse into Peoria and was found dead the next day. That's all the evidence his 2 nephews needed to blame his death on tainted whiskey. They recruited 40 to 50 Washington boys, men, who turned into a mob and destroyed the inside of Pearl's store. They rolled the barrels of whiskey, beer, flour, sugar, salt, anything they could get out of the store, into Farm Creek down the hill and put him out of business. Some of these men were probably members of the Sons of Temperance, which is a popular anti-alcohol society with chapters in up to 275 Illinois towns. The state's attorney filed charges against the Pearls for running a disorderly house, and the Pearls filed charges against 21 Washington residents who then became known as the Washington Boys. Of course, as you probably expected, they chose Abraham Lincoln as their defense lawyer. Lincoln argued that Illinois law allowed citizens to do what was necessary to remove a menace in town. I'm not going to give away the ending because I expect to meet some of the plaintiffs and defendants before we're finished. Well, hello, sir. Who are you?
My name's Frederick Pearl, and I need help. I ain't eaten 3 days.
I can see you're a little down and out on your luck.
Down on my luck? What's luck got to do with it when you got the whole dang county against you, plus the devil himself, Abe Lincoln?
I take it you lost your case.
Lost my case? I lost everything. Why? The state's attorney didn't show up, so what's the judge do? He appoints Abe Lincoln to prosecute me. Why, the inside of my store was destroyed. All my furniture is destroyed. All my goods are destroyed. And who's found guilty? I'm found guilty. Who's fine? I'm fine. Now I'm living in a county poor farm over in Peoria. Hey man, could you spare 2 bits for me to go downtown and get something to eat?
Sure.
I